Hello everyone, here I am back with my B-43 with the gauge. After doing a little bit of work to it, I decided that maybe it was just leaking too much steam, and I was right. So I replaced the seal down here and up here, cleaned the collar up really well, put some thread sealer here, and on the back side, that you can't see, there's a very long screw that goes all the way through the collar and to adjust the steam right at this pipe. I wrapped it a lot with Teflon tape to keep the air from, or steam rather, from escaping. So I've been running a little while. With my two accessories. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to turn off the steam and we'll see how far and fast the gauge goes up. I also tightened the screws on my smokestack. I have probably a little bit too loose of a spring in there right now. Here we are, we're almost up to 60. There we go, we're at 60. You see the gauge is dropping a lot slower. I also have better throttle control with the Teflon tape, and I can get her to just chug and pretty much hold the steam. Now if I take that variable transmission out and just run the swing directly to the engine, those swings will just glide like crazy. But I can pretty much adjust and hold and just keep her running, unlike my previous video where it just would just drop back to zero fairly quickly. Makes a difference when you don't have leaks. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a good night.